Mag-ano tayo today? Q&A. By the way, umaga na. It is 10:30 ko na film, which is, kung ma-upload ko siya agad. Go. But anyway, so, I'm going to do a Q&A, di ba? May mata pa. Kakatapos ko lang breakfast. Ganito pa nakapan dyan. Pajama ko. But anyways, in today's video is Magat Q&A. Okay, Q&A. So, last 6 months na yata yung Q&A ko. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko pa na siya na-check. But anyways, itong mga tanong na to is galing sa Instagram ko. Huwag ko siya sa baba ko, hindi ko siya malink. I'm so sorry. But anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Erica. So, may isa kasing app na favorite ko, which is this app. Wait lang. Ang palang brightness. Para makita nyo. Diba? This app is mga tanong yan. Tapos, mga kung ano-anong mga tanong. Anong ganyan-ganyan. So, yeah. And you can follow my Instagram. Papakita ko na. Instagram ko guys. Diyan ako nag-story ng mga questions ko. So, usap na yun. Tapos ililink ko dito sa mga susunod na videos. Pwede kayo mag-ask or i-follow nyo or random. This is very anonymous. Hindi ko makakilala yung mga nag-ask ng questions sa akin. So anyway, some of this, the screenshot ko siya. Some is in this. Anyways, siguro 9 questions lang to, pero maghahanap tayo ng mga questions na pwede para marami pa tayo questions. But anyways, ang dami ko sinasabi. Without further ado, let's start. Ang question is, if you could change anything about me, what would it be? Kung ano ba would you change? Ayan. Yung tanong. Ang tanong niya, anong type mo? Well, my type is kind of, hindi na ito kanya, sorry, na, kasi rent house lang ito, nagulat ako, so sorry. Anyways, ang type ko is someone who will provide for me. Kasi ngayong mga panahon ngayon is wala nang matinong mga lalaki and wala nang masyadong, alam mo yun, mag-care sa'yo, magla-love sa'yo, which is nakaka-disappoint lang yung generation. So, who will provide for me, who will love me forever, and who will not controlling person. Kung ano yung suot ko, hindi niya ikaw-control. So, yeah. Basically, that is my type. Iba yung tanong pa. Describe me in 3 words. Saan maging dali tayo magkaibigan? Sana daw maging madali daw kami na kaibigan. Of course, pwede naman tayo maging friends as long as you are not my other people's friends, because some people parang maging friends lang sila sa akin because I have, my mother who has money. So, could be friends. Next, to send me anonymous confessions. Labas tayo. Sabi niya. Kung sino ka man, sino ka man, or you are watching this vlog, nasama ko lang yun dito kasi wala lang. But anyways, pwede na po tayo lumabas as friends muna. You know, yung friends tayo. Hindi yung getting to know stage. Friends first. So, pwede. Ito. The same question. Nag-flirt ka na ba sa lahat o sa akin lang? Well, some of people, some kasi dito sa YouTube ko, like, long time ago, mga ilang months na yata, I talked about a boy, well, getting ready, so, of course, nagpa-flirt ako sa mga iba, but, hanggang, I don't really, like, forward kung ayaw nila sa akin, okay, then, what's the point? Kung ano yung mag-aano sa akin if we talk as friends, sure. But ako, mag-flirt ba ako sa lahat? Hindi po. I'm not a flirty person talaga. Kasi, like, hindi kita kilala. Bakit pa ako makipag-flirt? Kung sa kanya daw ako flirt, I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Hindi po kasi kita kilala. Kaya, I don't know if flirt ako sa'yo. So, anyways, next. Ito. Ask me anything anonymously. Sino ang huling taon ka-text mo? It's the question. Kasi ba ang huling taon naka-text ko? Well, ang huling taon naka-text ko is my mother. My one and only mother. Yung text siya, tatawag siya, we will, you know, yeah. And, of course, 6 months ago na yung sinabi ko sa previous questions. But again, the answer to your question is, huling naka-text ko is my mom. Ikaw ang matalik kong kaibigan sa tingin ko. Sabi niya, ako daw yung matalik niyang kaibigan. In her perspective, or her perspective, because it's very anonymous. So, in her perspective, or his perspective, pwede daw ako maging matalik na kaibigan. Which is nakakatawa, even though this is a very anonymous questions. Parang maraming tao sa akin, mag-think na I'm a good friend. And I'm so grateful with that. Super grateful ako. So, ito naman is, sino ang pinaka-kinakabahan sa'yo? Pinaka-kinakabahan sa akin. Sino ang pinaka-kakaba sa'yo? Pinaka-magkakaba or nervousness is, siguro, pagkakaba sa akin is someone who really knows me well, yung mga generations now, then you cannot trust anybody at this moment. Kasi parang may nang lumalabas ng mga fake friends, ng mga manggagamit, na parang magiging close sila. And pag naging close kayo, pag dumating na yung thinnest time ng panahon para sa'yo, is bigla nila ilalabas nila yung secret. So, yun yung nakakapasa ka na someone who really knows me and biglang ilalabas yung ano nila, sama na loob nila sa akin in public. Like, you know. Next. Ito, sabi na lahat ng bago ka na simula last year pero in a good way. Well, I'm grateful na sinabi mo na in a good way. In a good way na nagbago ako. Which is, sa amin kasi maraming mga chismosa. So, kaya, ayun. Which is, totoo din naman na nagbago ako because I cut off people very well. And I'm grateful with that. Na walang masamang magbago to yourself as long as kilala mo pa rin yung sarili mo at the end of the day. At bakit ginaghost yung buong group? Ba't ko lang ginaghost yung buong group? To be honest, I'm the type of person kapag hindi mo kinausap, hindi kita kakausapin. Even if the chats or sa kahit anong na mundo is hindi tayo magiging friends as the moment. Bakit ako mag-ghost? It's because sa totoo lang, pang-ghost is masama. Yes, masama siya. Pero kasi, I don't know. I know it's very, very bad. Pero ganun kasi yung ugali ko. I am so sorry if nag-ghost man kita or ghost ko man yung grupo mo. But that's how I am as a person. Which is mali. Which is hindi nyo dapat gawin yun. Huwag nyo gawin yun, guys, kasi masama yan. Anyways, yun lang yung mga questions. If you want to ask me questions, go follow my Instagram at Ergododo online. Link ko sa baba. I am so sorry. But anyways, yun lang. I hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe.